Hi, and welcome to the American Girl Cafe. I'm Coco. Would you like any appetizers? Yes. To start off with, we would like mozzarella sticks. Okay. Hold on. Okay. Thank you. You're welcome. Do you want me to come back? Oh, we would like our order for drinks. Okay. You want water? Sure. Okay, here you go. Water? Yes, please. Okay, do you want me to come back for your order to eat? Yes, please. Okay. I think I'll have the peaches, and I think I'll have the tomatoes or apples or whatever. Okay, have you made up your mind? Yes. Okay, I'm going to take up your menu. What would you like? I would like tomatoes. Okay, and you? I would like peaches. Okay. Thank you. You're welcome. You already have the marinara sauce on there, and you have the salt and pepper. Okay. Okay, thank you. Okay. A nice meal. Okay. Thank you. Okay. Okay. I would like some marinara sauce on my mozzarella sticks. Okay. Let's see. I would like some sauce in my water. What? That's kind of disgusting. I know. I'll try some too. That tastes disgusting. What tastes disgusting? Marinara sauce in there. Rachel? Yes. Accidentally, I put marinara sauce in my water and it tasted disgusting. Can you get me some new water? Pour out mine. Sure. Who drinks marinara sauce in water? I do. Isn't that a little disgusting? I'm sorry. Oh, it's okay. Okay, here you go. Thanks. Yeah. Okay. Is that all you guys need? Okay, yeah. Need extra marinara sauce. serious? Why wouldn't I not be? Marinara sauce is actually good on it. No, it's not. Well, I like it, so. End of discussion. Whatever. Let me try this. I think mine will do better with marinara sauce. Yeah, it is. I think it needs some pepper. I think I need salt. I need some marinara sauce. Ruthie, stop that. Sorry. It's just so good. This will stay shut. Water. Okay. I'm gonna put some salt. On mine and on this mozzarella stick. Okay. Let's see. I think I need some more. I want to try that marinara sauce on it. Okay. Oh my gosh, this is so good. Of course it is to you. Let me try it. Yum! It is good with marinara sauce. We should have got a salad. I know, that would have been no life. But we didn't. I could stay here all day. It'd be so cool. Yeah. I'm just gonna put a little bit of marinara sauce in my tomatoes. Okay. Waitress? Yes? We are done. Can you bring us the check when we get out of here? Sure. Just a minute. Well, thank you for coming. You're welcome. Bye.